What's up, everybody? It's PJ the Great, hitting you with a quick little vlog on Wednesday.
Leslie, guess what today is?
It's hump day.
Woo-hoo!
It is finally raining. Excuse me. I took the day off today. It's time for mom to get her shots for the shoulders. I'm gonna go and hit the gym right now. My hip has been bothering me a lot worse now. It's locking up a lot more. And I'm on my way to the gym anyway because I haven't worked out in 2 days because of it. So I'm hoping that this gym visit is just what the doctor ordered. I'm sorry if I'm not looking right into the camera, but I brought my Click Plus, which is what I usually film with in the car, and I didn't realize I didn't have my SD card in it. So now I'm filming on my phone. So the hip has been bothering me. I locked up something ferocious yesterday at work when I was helping a coworker install a computer. And I don't know what's going on. I must have really screwed something up bowling. I just hope it passes. I hope it's temporary. I hope I don't have to go back and see my scoliosis surgeon and get another x-ray to see if I did some damage. I'm thinking that I didn't. I just think I have a pinched nerve, because I don't think it has anything to do with my scoliosis. I honestly think it's a pinched nerve because I'm so out of shape and doing all the movements with the bowling. It just wasn't a smart idea. Wow. That was a huge thunder strike. Anyway, I'm gonna hit this gym up, get these gains in, and I'll let you guys know how it went. We need this rain so much. Oh, I love it.
A few moments later. A few moments later.
All right, I was leaving the gym, and this old lady with her husband were walking in, and she just kept staring at me, and so I was like staring back. So I looked at her, and I said good morning, and she just kept staring at me and walked off. I have no idea why. Maybe it's because of this. It's raining. I I had to cut the workout short. It was like 30 minutes because of these things. The Rymimo Bluetooth headphones that I reviewed, they do sound good, but they don't hold a charge. I haven't charged them since I did that video review, and then I charged them up max. That was Saturday. Today is Wednesday, and I got through one song and these things died. So I like them, but they don't hold a charge. Charge these things like to the capacity before you try them. And the next time I come to the gym, I'm bringing these and a backup pair because I can't work out without music. That's the reason why I cut the workout short. It had nothing to do with my back. And plus, as you saw, I got a little massage in. That helped. So now I'm headed back home. I'm gonna call this a video. The back is still a little sore, but that little massage in there, that kind of hit the spot. So that may be the saving grace for Planet Fitness for me, instead of jumping to EOS Fitness. But I'm gonna go check out EOS over the weekend anyway, just to see. But yeah, that massage was a saving grace. I'm out of here, guys. I'm gonna take care of my mom. I'm gonna enjoy this rain. Until the next video, don't forget to subscribe, you know, push the button.
Push the button.
And don't forget to like the video.
Hey!
I did it backwards that time. Alright guys, out of here. Audi 5000G.